Problem number 19. First term of an AP is 2 and third term is 26. Find common difference. Let us write given data, that is first term A is equal to 2, third term A3 is equal to 26, D is equal to question mark. Write formula, that is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute 2 for A and 3 for N. So that is A3 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 into D. Therefore, 2 into 2D is equal to 26 because A3 equal to 26. That implies 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. Therefore, D is equal to 24 by 2. D is equal to 12. We can solve this problem by using formula D equal to AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. Let us try. Here AQ is equal to A1 is equal to 2. AP equal to A3 is equal to 26. Formula D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. Substitute 3 for P and 1 for Q. We will get D equal to A3 minus A1 by 3 minus 1. Therefore, D is equal to 26 minus 2. Therefore, D is equal to 12 because in this step we have 26 minus 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Therefore, it will be 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Let us take problem number 20. Second term of an AP is 13 and its fourth term is 3. Find the common difference. Here AP equal to A4, that equal to 3. AQ equal to A2, that is equal to 13. D has to be calculated. Let us write formula, that is D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. Therefore, D is equal to 3 minus 13 by 4 minus 2. Therefore, D is equal to minus 10 by 2 because minus 13 plus 3 is equal to minus 10. Therefore, D is equal to minus 5. Problem number 21. If third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, find its common difference. Here AQ equal to A3 equal to 4, AP equal to A9 equal to minus 8, D equal to question mark. Formula D equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. Substitute 9 for P and 3 for Q. That is D is equal to A9 minus A3 by 9 minus 3. What is the value of A9? A9 is equal to minus 8. A3 is equal to 4. Substitute, that is D is equal to minus 8 minus 4 by 6. As you know, minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, D is equal to minus 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Therefore, D is equal to minus 2. Problem number 22. If second term of an AP is 13 and 34th term is 205, find its common difference. Here you take it as homework.